Well, good morning at the sculptor shop. We're having a beautiful day. It's spring again, and I'm about to show you something about our sculptor shop. So these are two of our griffins. They're for a German castle. They're supposed to be on the entrance side, on the both sides of the stairs, and they will be holding a big shield. It's a German sandstone, and we made them in 5 parts: the body, the wings, and as we go to the back side, the tails. So that's one of the projects. They're nearly finished. Jelle is working on carving the last shield. This tail still has to be attached. The other one is already fixed. Another project is 8 of these sculptures. They're a bit worn down. They came from a building in Amsterdam. They're about 1930s. They're made of tuffstone, and we're about to copy them into new limestone. I'll show a bit more of that later on. And here we have some nice crockets in limestone. We're going to make a whole bunch of them for a church. And this is one of the 8 sculptures that we already fixed with plaster, ready to be copied. We'll have the committee come over and inspect them before we carve them, of course. They're the 4 seasons. The lady is the autumn and the man is winter. We have 4 ladies for the 4 seasons and 4 males as well, and then 2 fawns. But the fawns, there are 2. This is one of the fawns. I still need to repair that. And then there are 2 that were still okay, and they're still left in the building. So this is a big granite Shivalingam. It's still upside down. I'm trying to polish the leaves, but it's quite tricky in between the, as you can see, in between here. Difficult polishing work. And then I finally finished my red pan sculpture. It's there. It's made in porphyry. I carved the reeds on it, from which he made the flute, pan flute. You can see another video on my channel about starting the work on this sculpture. A bit more of those crockets. These are the old remains that we got. You can copy them based on this. As you can tell, they're in pretty bad shape. This is Jelle working on his shield. The claw of the griffin is seen on top. So this will be attached to the half the front pole. And now he only has to finish the lower part of it. This is the other shield. It has two knights on it and a motto, and well, it's a bit dusty, so you can't see it as well as the other one. Yellow has done an outstanding job on this one. All the fine details. Been carving for weeks. Had to get his mind off it. He's repairing a spring. And we have Tim here carving another crocket in soft limestone. And he's been repairing the lady depicting the winter. Work in progress. So this is about it. It's our shop. We're always working outside. It's lovely weather. Chain hoist. New crockets still waiting to be carved. Two already done. A pallet full of old wood. Bits of granite. So that's the proceedings in our workshop at the moment.